Yeah, if you have to be quick, some of them are buying by equity, and then later on they do refinancing. I mean, Rondo 1, for example, 300 million was, I think, bought by equity and then refinanced, or almost at the same time. They sometimes do that, but you have Allianz, you have the other open-ended funds, Unibail, Damco. You have some of the other investors clearly buying purely out of equity without any kind of need for refinancing later on, because they do not know where to spend the money at the moment. Yeah, when you look at the insurance companies and all the other ones, I mean, they get their money in from all the insurance payers each month, and they have to allocate it. And where to allocate it? To the bond market? To the stock market? So let's go somewhere into real estate where we get 5-6%, which is for them a really high return here on their opportunistic investments, and that's simply the fact. And I think, I mean, you see that already in Germany a lot, and we will see that clearly more in Central Europe. That you will see more and more equity buyers coming into the market.
Okay. An amazing transaction here happened. Yeah, we got a notification of Bruntwood selling 120 million old office tower block in the centre of Manchester, pure cash, 7% cash, 125 million.
Yeah.
Now, is Schroders going to refinance, or they're going to put some debt in there? Maybe not, because where are you going to put your money? Bond market, equities?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're in the tracker funds, waiting things out, stock market went up 10%, now it came back 10%, bonds, who knows? But you might as well just stick it in a property, like Schroders have just done.
Mm-hmm. The percentage that pension funds are allocating to real assets, they cut up their portfolios a lot of different ways, but we're seeing more and more of them say real assets is a whole sludge, and that's infrastructure, real estate, timber, land, whatever, real hard assets. That percentage is growing. There's no question about it. Through the crisis, they had the denominator effect, so it kind of affected everything. As things have gotten healthy, their funds have gotten bigger, and they've increased allocations. Not so much in Europe. I think we're still 4 or 5 years behind it, but we've seen it in North America in a massive way, and also in Asia. So
I mean, yes,
there's
usually,
more money out there. No question.
It's more the insurance companies doing the senior lending. It's not the banks anymore. Here, either you go in a CMBS structure, or it's the insurance companies providing you 10 years money on very cheap rates. Yeah, where the banks cannot compete at the end, and that might be a situation, as Gordon just mentioned, we probably see in 4 or 5 years here in Central Europe as well. Maybe not that much, because to allocate several billions in one market, you need a big market, which certainly not even Poland is here. But you will see that at least on a number like we had this year, 40% out of the total investment volume of equity, and this will increase in the future, if you ask me.